Hey, here is the great quote for you. One day or day one. One day or day one. If you want to become something one day, you should start day one. Day one is most important. If actually you want to become something one day. If you think when I become perfect, then I start, there is no perfect without taking actions. Practice makes you perfect. When you practice, you fail, you feel pain. Everybody say you are a loser. Everybody say you cannot make it. You want to give up, but you stay here because you know if I work hard, if consistently I do it, one day I become something. So if actually wants to become something one day, day one is most important. So start taking actions from day one for one day.